Hello student, welcome to second practical of Java programming. In this practical, we test the small Java program. Okay. In last practical, we set up the Java programming development environment, and that is practical first. And today we see practical second. We test one small Java program. Okay. So practical significance, program outcomes already we see in last practical. In practical skill, we see the second execute simple program by setting path variable. Okay. So path variable also we already saved the set at in last practical. So Java programming execution is like this. First editor, any editor we can use, any text editor like Notepad, Notepad plus plus. Okay, then we type the code in Notepad. Then that is the source code, and then we compile the Java program and which convert dot Java file into dot class file, that is called as bytecode. And then Java interpreter and Java debugger is used to get the output of the program. This is the flow of Java program execution. Next, in last practical we install the JDK and set the environment variable. Okay, then this is the sample program is given in the manual. Here one class is defined and then program is given. Okay, so this program is for to print this message, welcome to hello world program on console. Okay, so we execute this program in this as a test program, Java, small Java program. Okay, before the execution, we discuss some points. Okay, first type this program into Notepad. So this is Notepad. First open, I use the Notepad plus plus. You use Notepad also. Okay, first open new file. Okay, I already typed the program. New file and then select the language. Here I select the Java language. Okay, then type your program and then save the program by the name class name. Here I give the class name exp1, that is experiment first. Okay, so save by name experiment1 dot java. Okay, so dot java is the extension for Java programs. Okay, so files जब आप फाइल सेव करोगे तो ये क्लास नेम एंड देन फाइल नेम. Okay, in first practical in this program there is only one class. Okay, so we save this file by this name experiment1.java. if अगर आपके प्रोग्राम में मल्टीपल क्लास है, 2 या 3 क्लास है, तो कौन से नाम से आपको फाइल सेव करना है? द क्लास विच कंटेन मेन फाइल, मेन मेथड. दिस इज आवर मेन मेथड, पब्लिक स्टैटिक वॉइड मेन स्ट्रिंग आर्गुमेंट्स. दिस इज द मेन मेथड ऑफ द जावा प्रोग्राम. एवरी जावा प्रोग्राम कंटेन द मेन मेथड. तो जिस क्लास में ये मेन मेथड है वो क्लास के नेम से आपको फाइल सेव करना है. अब नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कहाँ पे सेव करना है, वेयर इज the location to save the Java program. Okay, in last practical we see two paths. First one is in computer C programming, in computer C drive program files, and inside program file there is one Java folder, and inside Java JDK, inside JDK one bin folder is there. You can save your programs, Java programs at this location. Or second one, I create one folder and in D drive Java program. This path also we add at the time of creation of environment variable. Okay, so जो आपने environment variable में path सेव किया है वहां पे आपको वो Java program सेव करना है. Okay, it is very important. Why? Because otherwise your program is not executed. Okay, so I save all this program in this location d.java program. कोई भी एक फोल्डर बना लो, वो पाथ एनवायरमेंट वेरिएबल में ऐड कर दो. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप प्रोग्राम टाइप हो गया. नेक्स्ट, हाउ टू एग्जीक्यूट द जावा प्रोग्राम. ओके, सो देर आर command to run the Java program. There are two commands. First command is Java C, that is meaning of Java compiler. Okay, so type Java C in small, then file name, जो भी आपने फाइल को नेम दिया है experiment1.java. Okay, so this command is used to compile the program. Compilation means it find the errors in your program. If the error is there in your programs, then it display the error. Otherwise it compiles successfully. Okay, then second command, java space file name, only file name, not, don't write extension. Okay, so experiment one, only write here java space file name. This command is used to run the program or to get the output. Okay, so these two are the command to run the any java program. Next, how to run the program. Okay, type हो गया, save हो गया. Okay, I save this program by save at the location D drive computer, sorry, in computer D drive Java programs. Okay, here I save this program by name experiment one. So E is capital, X is small, P is small. Okay, so type as it is, class name and extension dot. Okay, my program is saved. Okay, next step, program type कर दिया, save कर दिया. Next, then open the CMD. Okay, command prompt. So there are two way to open the command prompt. First, type here CMD. सर्च बार में आपको CMD टाइप करना है. Then click on command prompt. Okay, ये open हो गया. Then set the path. Which path you set here? The file जहाँ पे आपने फाइल सेव किया है वो पाथ आपको इधर सेट करना है. तो सिंपल, फर्स्ट कहाँ पे वो डी में. ओके, सो डी कोलन आ गया. देन इन डी देर इज वन फोल्डर जावा प्रोग्राम. ओके, सो सी डी देर इज वन कमांड cd change directory space type the name of the folder as it is capital J capital A small V small Java space E capital program. Okay, here we type here first we set the path and then we execute the command. Okay, this is first way to open the command prompt. Second simple way, go to the location जहाँ पे आपको CMD ओपन करना है, in D drive Java program. Okay, here simple insert path, type the CMD and enter. Okay, your command prompt is open with that path. So ready, now we execute the program. Okay, first command is java c space file name. Our file name is exp1 dot. Observe this folder, यहाँ पे एक ही फाइल है, फर्स्ट फाइल exp1.java जो हमने सेव किया है. After compilation, dot class file is created with same name exp1.class. Okay, so when I enter, my program is compiled successfully and one class file is created here. Okay, so my program is compiled successfully. Why? Because there is no error. If the error is there, then it display in the command prompt. Okay, or a class file is not created in case there is error. Okay. Second command, java space file name exp1. Okay, when I enter, it display the output. The output है in program we use the system.out.print. This command is one method. Print is one method that used to print the output. In C we use the printf, in C++ we use cout, and in Java we use the print, system.out.print. This S is capital. Okay, so again when I explain this program, first I create one class experiment1, then bracket open, then we define main method, public static void main string argument S. This S is also capital. Then inside main method we write one method print, system.out.print, S is capital, and inside print the message I enter one string, welcome to hello world program. Okay, in double quote. So जो भी आप printf में डालोगे वो आपके console में display होगा. Okay, so this is simple program to print this message on the console. Okay, then this is your output. This message is displayed in the console, welcome to hello world program. So now our first program is executed successfully. All students try this program. If this program is run successfully, then your all next program will be you can run successfully. Okay, if any doubt, then call me or ask me directly, because it is very important. If your environment variable is set properly, then your Java program is executed. Okay, if there is any error, then solve the error or any doubt, then ask me. Okay, so this is your second practical. Okay, and all students take the manuals, and uh, after take the manuals, when I send the message of manual, then and complete your manual. So this is very easy and simple program. Thank you.